Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. Today I want to plant the Ugu vegetable. To plant the Ugu vegetable, which is a climbing stem, we have the big Ugu pod that contains many seeds. Then you crack it open. You can see that it has been opened, and after cracking it open like this, all the seeds are harvested. As you can see here, we have the seeds. You can see the seeds. Yes, these are the seeds, big seeds. And so to cultivate, we plant these seeds on our farmland, and that's what we're going to demonstrate now, how to do that. The method of planting, we do that right now. So we now follow in the future how to continue to nurture it until it matures to the point of harvesting the leaves of vegetable, and also the point of growing the seeds. So just follow along those, don't skip any part of this video, so that you can learn every detail, so that you will be able to do it in your own backyard or on your garden or in your farm too. Okay, so to plant it, you pick any seed like this and you run your finger around it like this. You see somewhere where we have something like a pin that is pointed. So that point is the point that it will sprout. So you run your hand around it, run your finger around it like this. As you are doing that, take note of a point where we have something like a pin. You know, the edges like this. Run your finger around it like this, then you get a point that's a pin. Like here now, I'm feeling it, you too can feel that. You know, the edge, not the faces, but the edge, not the flat surfaces, but the edge here. So something like a pin, that is where it's going to germinate. So you pick another one like that, try it. Yes, this point, there's a pin here. So that point is what we need to know. So you put two seeds together like this, and then you make sure that this pin is facing up when you are burying it into the soil. Make sure that point is facing up. I can hold it now. The pin is here for these two. Then you put it into the soil like this. Make sure that that is not too deep. You can see that, not too deep into the soil. So then we cover it up. Cover it up like this. Now when you don't have plenty rain, you need to apply water, irrigation on it every day, every evening. Then you can put sticks like this to mark the location where you planted it, in case when it's going to germinate, for you to recognize the position once again. When you are coming back to actually apply irrigation, the stick that you put will help you to locate the position. And that is the method farmers use to identify where they have planted a particular crop. So you put sticks down like this to mark the position, so that when you are coming for irrigation, you identify the location. Or when you are working on a farm, in order for you not to inadvertently step on the germinating seed, the stick will help you to identify the location. So if you are hoeing or you are weeding, in order for you not to tamper with that place, your hoe or cutlass must not reach that place, in order not to destroy what you have planted. The sticks will help you to locate the position. So this is what farmers do. So you do that, then you allow it to be there. You apply water, like I said, if there is no heavy rain around the time you planted. So you apply water morning and evening, or only at the evening, every evening, plenty water. Then you allow it to be there. So we are going to apply water now. Alright, we're going to apply water. Apply water like this. Plenty water. Now, if you have planted at a period when there is heavy rain within few days interval, falling regularly, you don't need to apply water at all. When there is no heavy rain, you apply water like this every day, like evening, morning and evening, and then you continue to observe your Ugu seed. within a period of about 7 days, then it will germinate. So when there is heavy rain, there is no need to irrigate. There's no need to apply water, either morning or evening. So we allow it to germinate by itself naturally. So after germination, we continue to do the needful to nurture it to maturity. To see what is going to happen. Don't forget to like and share the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to do so. Until another time, thanks for watching. Bye.